to show you the solution to an error that you might see just starting out. So here I am inside this database, just a simple one from the first chapter, and we've got two tables. So we've got the comments table, we've got the customers table. Doesn't really matter which way you open them up, but we've got the tables listed right here. And this is this basic stuff that it might have listed in there as far as data and those kinds of things. So if we look at this, we've got these two open right now. If we want to create a relationship between them, we can go over here to Database Tools. If you're on Home or Create or any of those, just click on Database Tool, click on Relationships. This is one way to create the relationships. And what I want to do is I want to set up a single relationship, a one-to-many relationship from customer ID to customer ID here. So I've got the primary key and customers. I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to drag it this way. This is just one way, and then land on top of it over here, and it will create the relationship. Brings up this little edit relationship table, and in this table, you'll see here we go. We're going from this table to this table, and here is our relationship. So I'm just going to click create for now. We're going to come back and check this little enforce checkbox here in a second, but I wanted to show you this first. So if you click create, Access has no problem letting you do that. So now we've got this little relationship in between here, but it's not the right type of relationship. So to change that, what you want to do, a really easy way to do it, is to come over here and just double click on the line itself. So if I double click on that, boom, it brings back up this menu option. And then I'm going to go down here and check enforce referential integrity, which will provide the one-to-many relationship. So you can see right now this is the one that is active. I'm going to add this to this, and I'm going to click OK. And what happens is, boom, I get that nasty little sound, and it brings up this error message. So it says the database engine could not lock the table comments because it's already in use by another person or process. So this is a common error that you'll see anytime you're trying to do something like this when you have the tables actually open. So see in these tabs, we can't click on them because of this error. So if I click OK, these tabs are currently open. Cancel out of that. And so we can't make any changes to them because we're trying to change this up here, but these are still open. So the way you can do that, if you right click on these, you can click close, you can click close all and just start over with relationships if you would like, but I'm going to right click on these, just close those two up. Now when I go back in here, I'm going to double click on that. It brings up my menu again. I keep dragging it over here, just I don't know, habit underneath. And I'm going to go down here, check this box, enforce referential integrity. I'm just going to click OK, and boom, it changes it from a one-to-many relationship, and we're fine. So now when it goes to save, we'll be okay, and it does active saving, so as soon as I close out, I can do it that way, or I can click this little save button right here, and then you're good to go. So again, when you see that error pop up, it's typically because you've got the tabs open across here, and you actually have one or more of the tables open, which can cause all sorts of problems. As you saw, you get that error, and it's very frustrating. So I want to make this video so you could check that out.